Hello, student. We are going to take one very important topic of today, which is given in the atom and nuclei. In the atom and nuclei, the term is about mass defect. What is the real meaning of the mass defects? For any nucleus, we know that for any atom given, suppose that we have one atom and we have nucleus where proton and neutron is already present. Inside the nucleus of any atom, the nucleons are proton and neutron. We know that we used to show the nuclide as X, any unknown number, shows the atom where atomic number Z and mass number A is given. A is the mass number and Z is the atomic number. And we know that atomic number is decided with the number of proton present in the nucleus. And we also know how to find the number of neutrons. The mass number minus atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number gives the total value of the number of neutrons. So, the question arises here, what is the real meaning of the mass defects? The meaning is that delta M is the representation of mass defect and this is the difference of the sum of mass of the proton and neutron with the total rest mass of nucleus of an atom. And we used to write here delta M as the total number of proton present and mass of the present, that gives the total rest mass of the proton, plus number of neutron, A minus Z is the number of neutrons, multiplied with the rest mass of the neutron. When we take the sum of these two nucleons inside the nucleus of an atom and taking difference with the mass of the nucleus, we call this total term as mass defect. So mass defect is really the difference of the masses of the number of proton present and number of neutrons present with the mass of the nucleus. And this very mass defect arises as a result of this mass defect. We used to calculate the binding energy also. This very value of mass defect suppose that we have to find the amount of nuclear energy. Amount of nuclear energy, suppose it is Q. And this energy can be calculated with the help of Einstein concept given by E is equal to mc square, which is considered with the help of the mass defect multiplied with the speed of light. This very value gives the total amount of the nuclear energy release, where c is here is speed of light, and this has the value 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Because nuclear energy is measured in million electron volt, so how to express the energy in million electron volt? We know that one nuclear energy, this very 1 million electron volt is written in terms of the one atomic mass unit is equal to 931 million electron volt. This very value of the atomic mass unit is multiplied with the value of the delta M. When multiplied with 931, we can directly get the nuclear energy in terms of the million electron volt. So in this way we utilizes the mass defect and to get the nuclear energy in million electron volt.